How to change mouse cursor on Windows 10. As you can see, my mouse cursor is default. Today I'm going to show you how to change it, so let's start. First of all, we'll have to move our mouse down here to the search box. If you don't have it, you have to right click somewhere here and then move your mouse to search and then choose show search box. So once we have the search box over here, we'll have to type mouse. And after we type mouse, over here we've got mouse settings, so we have to click on it. After we open mouse settings, we will have to find on the right side additional mouse options and click on it. Once we do this, something like this should show up. If it didn't show up yet, then you have to find on the right side again something like additional mouse options and then click on it, and then it should show up over here. So that was the first way of getting to these settings. The second way would be to click on the start button, go to the settings over here. After the settings open, we need to find devices over here and click on it. And once we get to devices on the left side, we will find mouse. And after we get to mouse, we need to click on additional mouse options. And one more time the same window opens, and over here we need to go to pointers. Once we get to pointers, over here, if we click on one of the pointers, we will be able to change it. So let's say I want to change this pointer over here, which is the normal default pointer that I'm using right now. In order to do that, we select it, we move our mouse down here to browse, and then we need to find where did we save our new pointer. My new pointer, my new cursor was saved over here, so all I have to do is click on it and then click open. And as you can see, the new pointer, the new cursor is already here, and my cursor will change as soon as I hit apply. Let's see. So as you can see, my cursor is changed right now. So this is how you can do it, and all you have to do is find on the internet pointers or cursors that you like, and then after you download them, you can easily change them, just like I showed you right now. If you don't know where to find cursors, you can go to rw-designer.com. This is a website with free cursors, so you can find some interesting cursors over here and download them by clicking in the right top corner of the cursor. So that's it for today. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to change your cursor, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.